Commissioner Bat Secretary Ketnat Pule Puthi Usayat MDA Ravi Ulaong Banadu Usnam Banwan Baroh College Jongka Sorkar ken hapan Pynïasoh no bat ke Captain Williamson Sangma University kepada ke Skulbah Jongka Jylla Shisin bayakane ke Skulbah la ban Penteri Kampura. Habak dan ciklar patai ku bol Ulaong ba ke jing Pynïasoh iki College Sorkar kan stang no mentau usnam Shisin ba ke UGC kala ai ke jing yathu ya ke State University. Lai roru ya ke Jylla jong menteri rangba ban penkongu ya ke UGC ban pelait ya ke Jylla na ke jing petreka me ke CUET mentakane ke snem pule aja posan.
Morning to all of you, and we specifically called this briefing with the press to clarify certain issues and remove if there are any doubts regarding the CUET UG examination for the current year, for the academic year 2024-25. So I'll just to give a brief background to everyone present here is that when CUET tests were held, for the UG tests were held, and there were several issues which were highlighted, which included issues like a lot of students from rural areas had not registered for the test, so a lot of students who had registered but not taken the test, some of the students who had registered and not taken the full set like the language and the optional subject and the general studies. So these issues when they were highlighted and they were brought to the notice of Honorable CM, he immediately took cognizance of these issues, and he called a meeting with the education department, with NEHU officials and NTA in this regard. So the primary aim which Honorable CM directed was that we should ensure that the students who seeking admission into undergraduate courses in Meghalaya for the current academic year, they do not suffer. So a decision was taken by Honorable CM that we will seek exemption for all colleges affiliated to NEHU in Meghalaya for exemption from CUET. And to take for colleges to take direct admissions as was happening in the previous years. So Honorable CM personally spoke to the Honorable Union Minister of Education, Shri Dharmendra Pradhan, and which was followed by a DO letter to the Honorable Union Minister. And as you must be aware, and we are happy to inform that on account of the personal efforts made by Honorable CM, UGC yesterday has approved the exemption from CUET for college admissions for undergraduate courses for 2024-25. So as of today, the admissions in colleges affiliated to NEHU in Meghalaya will happen as they were happening before for the current academic year. So during that meeting, the Honorable CM decided that our strategy will be two-pronged. First, we will seek exemption for this year. And second, so because it is going to be a recurring issue, every time a new batch comes up for admission, we'll be faced with similar issues. So he directed the education department to expedite to make the fully functional, make Captain Williamson Sangma State University fully functional. In that regard, we have already made the application to University Grants Commission for the 2F notification, which allows which puts that university in the list of university recognized by UGC, and which allows them to issue degrees. So that I'm happy to inform that that application has already been made, and Honorable CM personally is following up with the appropriate authority, with Chairman UGC, with Honorable Union Minister for Education, and we are hopeful that we will receive the 2F notification very soon. And once we receive the 2F notification, we will start with the affiliation process of colleges which are now affiliated with NEHU. They can shift their affiliation to Captain Williamson Sangma State University. And parallelly, we are taking other steps to make the university fully functional in terms of appointment of Vice Chancellor, in terms of appointment of the various committees and faculty that is required. Yeah.